What's up, guys? This is the unboxing of the 9-piece T-blade trimmer kit from Andis. You are going to hear a lot of noise in the background. My family's making a bunch of noise out there. I got my kids and a dog, my wife, but just ignore that. I'm going to try to do this one hand, maybe not. Let's go ahead and try it. Got this today. Pretty excited. I hear a lot of mixed reviews on this thing. The packet is pretty tight in there. Here we go. Let's kind of get this thing open like that. Move this a little bit over here. On this little tab. First thing we see is a little bit of paperwork. I got these because I'm going to be cutting hair on myself and on my son. And I used to cut hair back in the day, and now I'm just buying more. I'm getting a little bit more into it, so if you're into that kind of stuff, you might want to subscribe to the channel, because we're going to be doing a lot of unboxing and a lot of beginner stuff, tutorial and how-to videos. So here out of the box we got the what do they call it, the guards for the clipper. We have the oil that usually comes with every little clipper that you get, and a cleaner. We got the charger here, your typical USB, and it looks like a Type C. That's pretty cool. I love Type C. I have an Android Galaxy, so I love the Type C. And here we have the main event, which is the Andis trim. This is an entry-level trimmer, so it's not going to be a super pro like the expensive high-level end. This cost me like $29 at Sally's. A little complaining with Sally's because they charged me, I suppose the box says 27 something. Online it said 27 something and some change, and they ended up charging me like 29 for the full price. Which is not cool, but whatever. Here it is. Try to see if I can get a close-up on it. Try to focus the camera. Basically, Andis. Down here you got the standard Type C charger. Over here, that's the dog barking in the back. Sorry about that, guys. There it is, fully charged before powering up. Hold power button for 3 seconds to disengage travel lock, whatever that means. But yeah, let me go ahead and take this little guard. It comes with a little guard so you don't damage the clipper, I mean the trimmer. This is a trimmer, not a clipper. This is, like I said, entry level. Ooh, that looks pretty clean. That looks pretty clean, guys. It looks like it's pretty zeroed out. I don't know how much closer you can get to that. I'm gonna try to, bear with me here, guys. I'm trying to show you guys details. Sorry about the eye focus. Trying to make you guys see the teeth here. This is gonna be for the lineups and the sideburns and the back of the neck and the lines at the side of the neck. You guys know all about that. So pretty excited to try this out. It feels very slim, very light, very lightweight. I'm gonna be using this on myself and on my son. So pretty excited, guys. Not too bad. And Andis, you know Andis, you can trust Andis. This is an entry level. Later on I will be moving up to more expensive ones as I gradually start learning a little more on these machines. But I just wanted to make a unboxing video of this. And there it is, guys. Trying to make it closer so you guys can see the teeth there. Pretty lined up pretty nicely. Almost zero gapped. I read somewhere it's pretty much zero gapped. You don't really have to mess with these out of the box. See that? Very clean. We'll be trying it out. There you go. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. Thank you.